you. Oh, more. You're looking so good. Oh, my baby.
Oh, my goodness.
I've missed you. Don't tell me this is you.
Oh,
my baby. Enough, we enough.
what is it?
Hi!
What?
Ben! Ben left the work we're supposed to be doing. We're going to inside room.
Whoa.
Yes, now. You know, don't you see the girl that he went to the room with?
Yes, I saw her. I saw him with a lady.
When we still have work to do.
That lady came for this program, and I think they used to know each other.
It's a lie. If she's here for the program, that means she's married. And any woman that is married is called somebody's wife. Oria. Ben, no, it's not possible.
Hello.
You're welcome, sir.
How are you?
Is it a lie?
Who am I saying?
Is it a lie? Are you playing?
Oh my God.
Choose! Is this you?
I was me.
Is it a lie? So you are still in this country?
Of course. I used to go, come back, travel, come back.
Hey, one more. Hey!
How are you?
If we're going to...
It's been long.
Yes, I'm still alive.
You're the last person I expected to see.
I'm still alive, my brother. Look at me from head to toe. That is the only thing I have achieved.
Wow.
Being alive.
Anyway, I am here for the retreat.
You're here for the retreat?
Yeah.
That means you're married?
Of course I'm married. My wife is even here.
Here!
Am I waiting for you for?
Choose! So finally you could order no wine. Choose. You coordinated yourself. You went to somebody's house, you know, pay bride price.
Yes, that
choose someone else.
That choose Kali. When you know that time.
Oh my God.
It's just normal chooks.
Choose Kali.
You know?
You even have money.
Wow.
Oh yeah, check.
Look at you.
Hey.
That year in school, we used to carry everybody along, write quiz for everybody, people gather you, you be writing, you be look at you today. With white tie, black tie and white shirts. Sorry, are you working here?
If I'm working here, I'll be glad, but I am not. It's the organizers of this program that called me and say, come and help us. Carrying a bag for husband and wife.
They hold you, Ago.
That is it.
Ago that came out with first class.
What? Just look at me. Why did not see any other person?
This is bullshit.
No problem.
This is seriously bullshit.
No problem.
Anyway, where is my wife?
You did not come with your wife. No,
Oh, that lady that came, is she your wife?
Yeah, fair, not at all. Yeah. Where is she?
She's somewhere waiting for you. Let me
get her. Where is your bag? Let me help you, man. When you got to me,
Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you let me know? You would have waited for me.
Baby, I'm sorry. I couldn't hold myself. Seeing you after so many years, I couldn't just protect myself.
I never planned in my life that I would sleep or have anything to do with someone else's wife.
I am your wife. Baby, I do not love my husband. It is you I love. Yes. We can reunite.
And
I will leave my husband and I will get married to you.
how are we going to achieve this? I mean, of a truth, I really love you. Oh, yes, I do. You are the reason I did not even have anything or even have the heart to love another. I didn't love another girl since then.
Same here. And I'm happy you're not married. Who's calling you?
Leave them. They need me, but I'll attend to them later. I do not want to leave you, baby girl. I don't want to leave you.
I don't want to leave you too. Please don't leave me.
So how are you? How are you going to achieve this? How are you going to make this happen?
I will divorce my husband. We will divorce him. Or better still, I will just keep him in this retreat so we can be together. Yes. Baby. Baby. When will all this end now, eh? Imagine how long I have been sitting under this hot sun, waiting for him. Ordinary car, common car. Could not afford, he can't buy a car. If I leave now, if I go for the retreat without him now, they will say, Joy, you are a bad wife. Joy, you don't know how to endure. Joy, marriage is not like that. Joy, I'm tired. Let me call this stupid fool. Let me call him.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go now. You are still sitting down.
Eric, go to where?
What do you mean go to where? I couldn't see the taxi guy that agreed to take us to the place. What do you want me to do? I have to make an arrangement with this one here.
Oh! Henry, I should follow you to that retreat with Keke! Henry with Keke!
Joy, let's go.
Oh!
Joy, let's go.
Henry, you want me to go? Keke! Oh!
They are the same.
Keke Oka, they are the same!
I don't know what you are doing there. Come. Joy, let's go now.
See, now man I married like this.
In this life, before you talk of getting married, you eat 2 plates of meal with the 2 meats before you think of getting married. But let me see how next year will be. By the time after working here now, they will pay me good money.
See how time flies.
Yeah, so
Let me tell you something, to get married is good. If you get married now, you will start to enjoy your life. You can imagine I married my girl that year in school. By now, I would have gotten a grown-up girl. You know?
yeah, sorry. Well,
Okay, sir. I'll have a dinner.
Okay.
Bring it.
Yeah, get it. Where's my wife? Okay. Thank you.
Finally, you are here.
Babe, why? Why are you doing this? Eh? Do you enjoy hurting me? You left me there all alone and you rushed down here with Keke.
Can we just go to the room and stop all this lecture? Do you want to lecture me here?
It's not fair.
I don't care. Let's go.
It's okay. Let me.
okay. See you later.
Thank you.
My mom.
I will see you.
All right.
You know what? Hey, why did you say that? Do you know where I saw that girl?
Where?
In Ben's room.
Chineke.
After I called with intercom, no one picked. I had to go there myself and knock.
Inside Ben's room. Wait, see, let me tell you. You see this Juice? Juice is a bad guy in school. As he is now, he might have a gun. One bear not to stay away from that chick. Else, I will jump fence, so we cannot jump fence. I'm not going to go to a boogie. All these people want them. If anybody spoil their wife here, I will take the wife. You know I'm not married.
What do I do now? Chika. After these years, it's obvious she's not happy with her marriage. I will not let her escape me. I won't. She has made me do what I never thought I would do in my life. How do I take her away now? Should I leave this program and run away with her? Should I buy the idea of killing the man? Should I wait for the program to be over? And I will go after her? What must I do to take what is mine? Yes, I will pretend. I will pretend that I don't know her while I make my plans.
Are you okay? What is it? What is wrong with you?
Shoes, please, leave me alone. I want to think.
What? What do you want to think? You left me there? You came here all alone, suffering yourself with keke.
Because you're here to tell me what took you so long for bringing the car. And what the hell were you discussing with that lady? Truth, you have started, right? When I start my own, don't even think of complaining. You know what? If this marriage is going to end, let it start ending because I am no longer interested.
What?
Yes.
What was that? What did you just say? What is wrong with you? Why do you say negative things about this marriage? Every little thing you will say, I'm no longer interested in this marriage. What is wrong with you?
You know what? Go to hell. You suffocate my life.
Marriage is reality. Marriage is practical. So, stop complaining. Stop regretting. Cause this will scatter your marriage, yo. For you, okay, maybe give
I'll come with the bag.
Don't touch my bag! What is it now? Sit down, you say I'm suffering you, please. Leave my bag alone.
What is it? What is wrong in being romantic to you?
I don't want you to be romantic.
I'm your husband.
I don't need it. Give me money. I want money. Give me money. Please, where is the reception?
Don't do this here. Let's check this way.
How many of them now? Many of them. Many of them. Okay, that's fine. He asked me to come and find out. Okay. Make sure you put all the records, everything necessary things that we need. Yeah? Everything that we need to know about them. Put everything down, okay? I'll see.
Hi. Hello. Please, I'm here for the couples retreat.
Hey, how can you say that? How can you say you are here for the couples retreat?
Don't start with me.
We are together.
Okay. Okay, my darling. Yes. You're welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir. We have ones for you already. Oh, good. 211. Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes. Do not touch my bag.
This way.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Not that way. This way. Oh, thank you.
this what we're going to see in this retreat? See, please.
How do I look? I hope I look hot. Huh? I know you will like it. I know you like it, right? I'm hot, right?
Respect yourself. Don't tell me you want to wear this thing downstairs. Listen, you're not the only married woman here, so behave yourself.
Hey, what is wrong with what I'm wearing? Is this that bad?
It is. What is it? How can you wear this thing downstairs and you are asking me if it's bad? Better go and put on something reasonable.
Okay, but hey, can't you be romantic for once? Can't you talk to me nicely for once? Like, oh baby, I don't really like what you're wearing. Go and change into something better and give me a kiss. Pet me if possible. You give me quickie before we go down. Let's have fun.
I know it will end up in sex. No, tell me, did anybody swear for you? Because the thing is getting too much. Every little thing you want to have sex.
Greg, you are my husband. Am I asking too much? My body belongs to you and your body belongs to me. So you should satisfy me anytime I want it. It's your duty. Maybe you want someone else to help you perform your duty. Yes.
What did you just say?
I said maybe you want someone else to help you perform your duty.
Listen, respect yourself. Okay? Respect yourself. And now let me warn you. Don't get me angry. Okay? Don't get me angry because you won't like what I'll do to you.
Just to have sex with me is making you angry.
Listen, please, put on something reasonable. Let's go downstairs. Okay? I don't have time for this.
Greg, you're my husband. You should make me feel like one. I'm your wife. At least make me feel like one.
Look at the woman looking like
Hello.
Why are you shouting?
I don't know where they put the thing that will bring a miracle.
What do you want to use?
The code is too much.
Is it the little aircon you receive?
Air conditioning is too much. The air conditioning cold. If we did how that would have boil the hot water in the kettle.
If you don't want to bath and let us go down, it is your problem. It is your problem. Smell ochucha, let us go.
No. Look for the auto water, the miracle switch.
No. It is not like
Look very well, no.
It is not like the one I see in China. These people, they are not like in the China. But China is crazy. In China, will do switch. It will keep your face like a.
Look for it, no.
Look for it. Manana moku iko, diki teke. Mezaka na zimelike.
Look very well. Hey! Anya! No. We're changing loom. We are changing loom.
But I told you it is not like the one I see.
We're changing loom.
Babe, why don't you get up and come take your shower? These people might cause to come down anytime soon. Babe.
Don't touch me. Troops, I am begging you in the name of God. Leave me alone. Don't you understand English? Just leave me alone.
I am not going to leave you alone. Babe, I've apologized to you. I've apologized over what happened earlier today. But you're still in this mood. Come on.
I don't need your apology. In fact, your apology irritates my soul.
God.
Listen, if you don't want me to be in this program with you, I can as well go back home. You know me, you know what I can do very well. So please, just leave me alone.
Babe, I am not going to leave you alone or let you be. You know why? Because I love you. I love you with all my heart. Since I met you, babe, since I met you, I've been begging you. I've apologized to you. I don't know why you hate me. I want you to tell me what I'll do for you to love me. Okay? Okay. I paid for us to come to this retreat. So we may have peace, love and harmony in our home. But still, you're still very angry with me. What is it? Why are you doing this?
You know what? Thank you. Thank you for bringing me to this program. At least that's the only good thing you have done in your entire life. But you know what? Just leave me alone. Pretend as if you don't even know me. See, I'm going to disgrace you.
Are you sure you would want to do that?
Try me.
Anyway, don't worry. After this program, I know you're going to change. Anyway, let me get my stuffs from the car. I'll see you soon.
So much for bringing me here. Ben, the love of my life. I won't let him go this time around. I will just act as if I don't even know him. Why I make my plans.
Don't tell me this is the actual place for this program.
Well, this is the place. What a serene environment.
Oh, spare me that grammatical concussion. What makes you so serene? Tell me, what makes you so serene?
My grammar has nothing to do with concussion. Or would you want me to rather educate you on the theory of concussion?
Please hold it right there. I don't think I need it here. I mean, why would they pay for a low-class hotel like this for this retreat? Why would they do that?
There is absolutely nothing wrong with this environment. Or would you rather they pay for a 5-star hotel? The price would be so staggering.
Oh, come on.
Can you just use the right word? Can you use the right word? Don't tell me you have not been visiting your dictionary.
Here we go again, Mrs. Educated.
See your life? Mr. Know-It-All. It is not educated. It is educated.
Oh my God, here she goes again. It is not educated. It is educated.
Are you trying to correct me? A PhD holder like me? And you're trying to correct me?
Let's not go. Please, you can't come here and bring shame to me. I have to correct you.
Are you embarrassing me in the public? Are you for real? You're embarrassing me here?
Let's not do this here. Please. Please. Shall we listen?
No, it's not okay. Listen to me. I'm still talking. Don't embarrass me.
Shall we? Please, not here.
Marriage is reality. Marriage is practical. So, stop complaining. Stop regretting. Cause this will scatter your marriage, yo. For you. Okay, maybe it first.
You better come back here.
No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage. You should know this. No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage. No perfect person in marriage. No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage.
Why are you getting angry over every little thing? Why?
Please don't even start with me, okay? Don't start with me. I'm tired now. I'm tired. I just want to shower and rest. I'm tired of suffering. Please, I'm just tired. I'm tired.
Don't worry. Very soon, we will have our own car. It's not car. We'll have our own. After all, you need exercise.
I need exercise.
Yes, you need exercise.
Henry, I need exercise. Oh, that's what you have to say. You want to justify yourself. Now I need exercise. No problem, eh? Don't worry. Very soon we're going to know who we make and plantain chips. Don't worry.
Don't know what you're talking about. So let's go down. Let's go and register. Oh, come back. We'll have fun.
I
can't wait for us to be under this duvet.
If you
with
touch
this AC,
me.
chilling us. Oh, baby.
With this AC. That's the only thing you know how to do now. The only thing you know how to do is to use this thing between your legs to destroy me, Abi? Why your mates are busy making money? Stupid man. Have fun. You have to have fun. Don't touch me. That's it. It's you.
You're welcome.
You don't need to be me. Hello, my dear.
Welcome, sir.
We're here for the couples gathering.
Oh, the retreat, you mean?
Yes. Collins, please use the appropriate word. I mean, what kind of a hotel is this? Look at the interior. Are you kidding me? What a joke! Excuse you, what?
Darling, please, we are here already, okay? So let's make do of what we see. We are late. Please. Reception, my keys.
Oh, okay. I have it already. But I have to be fast because the other couples are here already and they've already started.
Hey. Have you heard about the adage? Better be late than delayed.
Oh, my sweet darling. Rather you use a good sentence, which is, never be late than never.
Collins, are you correcting me? A PhD holder like me, you're correcting me in the presence of this girl!
We can't do this here, okay?
And you're laughing! Like seriously, you're laughing at me! Do you know I can get you fired?
Excuse me.
Please shut up your mouth, I'm talking to you!
You're shouting.
I said if I hear a word from you, I will get you fired!
You're shouting.
We can't do this here. Please.
You're shouting, please.
It's okay. It's okay. Reception, please. Is there anyone to help us? Any portal to help us? Let me just...
I'll get someone. I'll call someone to get that, sir.
Why getting someone? Can't you do it?
Don't worry, I'll do that.
Okay, sir. Do enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yes.
Hey, my guy. my guy.
How are you?
Have you checked in?
Yeah, about it.
Okay. Later you take this your car to the other park.
Okay.
The other this place is for hotel people. That place is for retreat people. Yes. Okay.
Hey, stop there right now. Stop there.
Please stop here, James. Please don't kill me.
So this is you. So this is you.
I'm sorry, please.
Sorry, kill you. You're sorry, kill you there. So you think you can run away from me? Huh?
I'm sorry. Please don't do anything stupid.
Please, my guy, what is going on?
Look at this criminal. This animal. This idiot left me on the altar on our wedding day and disappeared. Eh? I am going to end your life today. Hey. I think you don't know me, right? You do not know me. I am going to kill her today.
Please, don't kill her. You know, she's the assistant coordinator of this program. She's one of us, the assistant coordinator of this program.
What?
Yes.
That means the program is ended.
What? No.
That means this program will end today. I'm going to kill you today.
I'm sorry.
I'll kill you.
I'm sorry.
Now start talking.
Okay. Just please, can we just go somewhere and sit down? I'll explain everything, I promise.
Start talking before I kill you.
Please, I'm begging you.
Please, let her explain.
What is it? Please don't talk about this thing. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Start explaining. Start explaining now.
Baby, you're here again?
Yes.
Are you okay?
I have been restless. My husband went to his car and he has been there.
I'm sad. I'm really sad over the development. I do not even know how to coordinate this program at all. I don't know what to do.
Baby, listen to me. We need to be strong for each other. But let me assure you one thing. I will leave my husband to be with you. Or better still, I will kill him.
No, babe. Don't say that, right? I really do not want to leave you.
I don't want to leave you either.
I really love you and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. But how are we going to achieve this? How will you achieve this?
Baby, let's run away. Oh, let me just kill him here. That man loves me too much. He's obsessed with me. I'm not sure he will let me be. Even if we run away, he will look for me and he will do something dirty to us. So I'll just kill him here. Shh.
Killing him is out of the picture, right? Let's just plan. Let's plan. Find a way to figure this out. But no matter what happens, I will never leave you. I love you so much, baby. I won't leave you.
Holy goodness. I mean, what kind of room is this? I mean, take a look at the form and the check duvet. This is an insult to my personality, and you know that.
Darling, please. We don't need to do this right now. I mean, this should be one of the things that shouldn't bother you at this point. We are here now, okay? And we are late for the seminar. Please, let's go.
Like, seriously? What's your problem? You can't even allow your wife to be happy for once. What has come over you? Huh?
You just don't want to be happy.
Allow me to finish. Okay, we're here already. And the introduction is going on there. Please, when we get there for our own introduction, please allow me to do mine in peace.
Okay, I will do just that. But please, let's make it snappy. And when you're done inspecting the duvet, the pillow and the foam, meet me downstairs, okay?
Okay. I bet if you leave this room without me, I'm going to change it for you.
Oh yes, I'm leaving!
You dare not. You want to test my patience, right? Try me! Try me and leave! I want to freshen up, please. Where's the toilet?
That's it.
That's the toilet? Please, can you open it for me?
What?
Open the toilet for me. I want to freshen. The toilet? It stinks. Shut the door. I said shut the door. It stinks.
Here's my guy. She's right here with me. She's here now. So get ready to come with your man. Yes, you have to take her. She has to pay every single dime I spent on her. All the money I spent in building house for her, she's gonna pay. And the ones I spent in setting her brother up, she's going to pay. So get ready to come with your man. Okay? This girl is wicked. I'm waiting. I'll call you back.
Please, you have to calm down. Let's settle this thing and make it okay.
We're not settling anything. We are not settling anything because I'm going to scatter this program today. This girl is wicked. Very wicked girl.
Please, I'm sorry, please. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I tried looking for you, Bo. I was so ashamed of myself. When I heard you were married, I cried myself out. I'm sorry, please, because I don't know what happened. I don't know why I did what I did. I'm so sorry.
Ago, let me tell you my story with this evil girl here. Hello? Yeah, how are you? What? What is wrong with him? Oh. Okay. I'm on my way. I'm coming now. Yeah, I'm at the farm. I have to call my boy to come and take care of the farm. Okay, I'm coming now, okay? Just hold on.
Ekene, why now? Why did you do this?
No, Gini. What is it?
It's my brother Ekene. He's dying.
Ekene? What happened to him? Yeah? Ekene?
Ekene cannot talk. He went to climb the palm tree and he fell down.
Why? Amarokwam
Ekene Choribu Ekene. I don't know why
Ekene?
now.
Ekene? Can you hear me?
He cannot talk.
Hi. What kind of nonsense is this now? Let's take him to the hospital. Let's go.
Hey, get out to an enum. Yeah? Get out to an enum.
Please.
Baby, you don't have to continue crying. He's not dead yet.
But my brother would die if nothing is done.
He will not die. We've seen the doctor. The doctor is attending to him.
Did you hear what the doctor said? Doctor said if nothing is done fast, my brother will go paralyzed forever. He would die. I don't want to lose him. That's my only brother. I don't want to lose him.
Baby, God is in control. Nothing is going to happen to him. I will do everything in my power to see that the operation is being carried out. Okay? Okay? Even if to sell this car to save his life, I will sell it.
No, you don't have to do that. You don't have to sell your car just because of my brother. I mean, you've done too much already. Please don't.
It's okay. We have to go now, okay? Let's go and get the things you need. So you go back and take care of him while I go source for funds. Okay? Come on, let's go.
Thank you so much.
Guy, what are you talking about? The last loan I gave to you, you're yet to return the money. This money is from my bank, it's not my personal money. Yeah? I know how I've been covering up for you. And now you want to take another loan to please Rose again.
Guy, if you don't do it for me, who will do it for me? Eh? I need this money. We've been friends for long now. We've been watching each other's back. Biko.
It's not how long you and I have been friends. It's about how long will you keep doing this thing for Rose.
Guy, it's not about Rose. It's all about saving life. I want to fly this guy to India. Please, I need this money.
Bro, the loan you and I talked about is the money you're supposed to use to expand your farm and your fish pond business. Huh? That is what you're supposed to capitalize on for now. I mean, if you use this money to please Rose, what happened to your farm business? Okay, listen. There are people that want to invest in your farm business. I mean, people who are looking up to you. Those people are the people you're supposed to please first. Look on how to make them know that you are a good farmer.
Bros, you can never talk me out of this. If you want to talk from now till next year, I have to do what I have to do for this guy. Please, I need this loan.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Okay, you've been doing everything for Rose. I mean, what has she done to you? Or what has she done for you? Love is a two-way thing. I mean, if she... Oh, okay, you know what? Let's just cut it down. I'll see what I can do. I'll work something out for you.
That's my guy. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Come on, let's rush to the bank and get the stuff now. I need it fast. I need it immediately. Go.
You want to, bro? You have to go, bro. I'll send this money to you. Come to it, I beg. Let me go back to work, eh?
I beg, get out of my car. Nonsense, man.
A womanizer. Woman will kill you in this life. You see this life.
Thanks.
If you like.
I appreciate it.
Really?
No,
bro.
Later.
Okay.
That's good.
Oh, baby, Anamanunte. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Woo! Babe, come on, smile for me.
I should smile for you. For what? At this critical time of my life, I should smile for you.
Baby, come
please,
on.
I'm not in the mood for that joke. Please.
Smile for me now, at least. The guy will get Daisy Bonaventure till when? Smile for me.
See, if you didn't get the money, just tell me. I'll go out there and look for money for my brother's operation, please. I'm begging you. Stop, I'm not in that mood at all. I am not.
Okay, I made it. Yes. Everything is okay now. Your brother will be traveling. Are you happy now?
Thank you. Can we go now?
Eh? Just like that?
What do you mean by just like that? What do you want? I should start kissing you or making love to you because you brought money for my brother's treatment. Is that what you want? I mean, why can't we do the important thing right now? What else can follow? Please. Important thing first.
At least you should be happy and smile for me. And
please, can we go? Wait, you're just moving like this. You can carry yourself.
Okay, better now. I'm okay.
Thank you.
Uncle Chiefs, thank you very much. I don't even know how to thank you for all that you've done for us.
Ekene, you don't need to thank me. You know you're my brother-in-law to be. Huh? So calm down.
Must you say that? Why can't you just talk straight?
Sister, take it easy now. What did you say wrong?
You just shut up and thank God for your life. Come on, get inside.
Uncle Chiefs, thank you very much. Let me go and rest. I'll see you.
It's okay.
I have the kids. Just sit down there. I'm coming to you.
Baby?
Choose. Well, I'm sorry. It's not like that. I appreciate you. Thank you for everything. I'm grateful. You're a darling. Thank you.
You're welcome. You know, I told you I would do everything in my power to see that this come to pass. Huh?
Thank you.
I have another good news for you.
What is it? I want to hear it.
Okay, I've gotten the farming contract from the state government. They're giving it to me.
Wow. Congrats.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You don't want to come inside?
I want to rush you somewhere. I'll be back soon.
Okay. Take care.
Okay. Ekene?
Uncle Chiefs.
See your pressure now, eh?
How do you like that?
No, you will not.
Oh, that was fine. Thank you, sir.
Guys, go on. Drink up, okay? Drink up.
My man,
Enjoy yourself. I am so happy today. I am so excited.
Chooks the hustler.
Yes, so.
My man.
More are still coming.
My man, Che. I'm so happy for you. So happy for you. For you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm so happy for you, baby. I'm happy for you.
You're welcome. I'm so happy.
God, where's the
if
food
you want
now?
more are still coming, okay?
This is my food. I'm hungry. Now they should bring. I feel like chewing something. I order for
your food.
For meat. No,
don't
meat.
worry. In a few minutes you see them. They are coming,
For
okay?
Feel like one in my mouth.
Here it comes. Oh.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's all yours. Open up and eat. Babe, please marry me.
Chicks, I ordered for me. Are you part of this? You planned this?
Oh, come on, baby girl. Don't come like that. It's your day. Go on, accept it.
This is my day. What is my day? Is this what I want?
Please marry me.
Chicks, don't tell me to marry you. I asked for food and not... I'm not ring.
Don't worry, you eat, okay? Babe.
Give me food, not ring.
Please.
She said, I don't want it. I'm not interested, please. What nonsense. I ordered for food and you're giving me ring. What?
Huh? Bro. Babe? Babe, hold on.
Come on, don't tell me to hold on, please. Don't even say that. Don't tell me to hold on. If you're not ready to give me food, then take me out of here because I do not like nonsense. I don't like it.
Babe, don't call it nonsense, please. Please marry me.
Oh, really? Also, you want me to say no, so you'll be like, after everything you've done for me, right?
Babe, you told me to wait till your brother finished school. Now your brother is through with school. Okay, your brother had an accident. I was the one who took care of your brother till he gets well. What else do you want?
I'm not ready to get married. I'm not ready to get married when my brother is still at home doing nothing.
You're talking of your brother. I'm the one who asked you to tell your brother to come and work in my farm. That I'll be paying him well. What else do you want me to do?
Just as you don't want. I don't want to get married when my brother is doing nothing. I've said that and I'll still say it again. And please, just take me out of here, please. Take me out.
Why are you doing this, Rose?
Chooks, take me out before I shout now. Take me out of this place. I'll shout though. I'll shout.
It's okay. Let me call Nika so we'll drive out. It's okay. If not for people around, I would have brought down that house. I've been searching for this girl all over, round the world. I've been searching for this girl. She disappeared because she knew what she did.
Please, I am sorry. I am so sorry, please. I can actually explain. The chicks, I still love you.
Do not love me! Don't you ever love me! Because I'm happily married now. I'm married!
It was actually Sabina that deceived me, please.
What's going on here? Can we start? We need to start. Let's go.
Don't even start. Is it not you we've been waiting for? So don't come here and shout. Don't do it.
My guy, please. Please don't be angry. I will make sure that she's here. She's not going anywhere. No, I'm here. She will not run.
I'll go. I'll go if I look for this girl. I am going to kill everyone in that retreat.
Huh? I'm telling you the truth. You know me. You know me, right?
Please, I'll do anything that you want, please. Anything that you want, I'll do it.